Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick one. I'm pretty much just going to be talking about my Wi-Fi setup. Now I got a few questions on a few Reddit posts and videos that I previously posted on what is going on up here and how or what did I buy. So to start off, these are just some Wi-Fi snubby antennas that I bought. I originally had some longer ones. I'll probably put a picture of them up here. And I didn't like the fact that I couldn't put them away. I always had to take them off. So I looked for very short antennas in order to just be able to retract them and hide them away when I'm putting this in my bag or I'm out in public and I don't want no creepy, hackery looking things sticking out of my Uconsole while I'm sitting at Starbucks, right? So I initially found this 3D print. It was one side. I think it was this side. And that was created over on printables by user MEX, and I just took that print and mirrored it in software. I think you can do that in Cura. It's relatively easy just to get the other side. And I bought a kit. Originally, the two antennas that I had purchased came with two SMA adapters, like these cables you see here going inside. I will link those in the description so you can see what I'm talking about, so you don't have to, buy. If you like the original ones, you can buy them. They are relatively small, but they are a bit bigger, so you can't fold them in. And essentially, these are both Wi-Fi antennas. And now you might be saying, why are you using a Wi-Fi antenna for your 4G module? And yeah, I get that, and I understand that. But it works fine. Like, I haven't had any issues with 4G data. I've tested before with the old antenna and with the new one, and it's relatively faster with the new one, so I'm pretty confident that it works fine. I did test the Wi-Fi speed with this setup. It was about 88 megabit down. Now, this is a Raspberry Pi. It's not going to have crazy fast Wi-Fi. It is an improvement from the original antenna, but it's not the fastest thing in the world, but it'll get you going. And pretty quick video, just, some details on what I did here. Oh, the last thing I needed to include in this video before I forget, these are M4 6mm long screws. These are tapered screws. Notice they do kind of crease the plastic. You can sand the print down to make it fit better, but I don't really care. If these break, I could just print more, so it's not a huge deal. But yes, I will also include these in the description. These are M4 6mm long screws. The original screws will not work for this mod, just an FYI. Okay, if you guys have any more questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll check them out and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to. I'll see you guys in the next one.